The Jeep Grand Cherokee's Uconnect system handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls through its touchscreen interface. Sometimes the system freezes, becomes unresponsive, or has connectivity issues that require a reset to fix. There are three main types of resets: soft reboot for quick fixes, hard reset to restore defaults, and touchscreen specific fixes. In newer models from 2023 onward, over-the-air updates automatically address many issues, making manual resets less necessary. When Uconnect malfunctions, starting with a reset is usually the simplest first step. To perform a soft reboot, hold the Uconnect screen's power button or the vehicle's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and restarts. This clears temporary glitches without erasing data. For a hard reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Factory Reset. This will erase your personal settings, so back up important data like contacts and presets first. Before performing any reset, ensure your vehicle's battery voltage is stable above 12 volts. Low battery can cause reset failures. For touchscreen issues, ensure your firmware is up to date through the My Uconnect app or by visiting a dealership. If the screen is unresponsive, try using a stylus for precise inputs.